बोधिसत्व, परम पूज्य नेता डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, क्रांति सूर्य महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, इन महापुरुषों को मेरा आज त्रिवार नमन। नमो बुद्धाय, सप्रेम जय भीम। I would like to congratulate all of us for celebrating the 129th auspicious day of our Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar's Jayanti. And also wanted to thank for AIMS UAE for giving me an opportunity to talk about Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Today I wanted to talk about the sacrification of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar during the social work. During the social work he has done for making the great nation. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar has a great vision of literate Bharat with equal opportunities for every individual. Actually, there is a very big misunderstanding that Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was a leader of backward community, but it is not true. However, for complying my sentence, I wanted to give 2-3 examples, like reducing the working hours from 12 to 8 hours, starting the bonus facility, implementations of provident fund activities, starting the DA facilities for the employee, many more. Also for the ladies, he had a great respect. He had also given a special leaves for the ladies at the time of pregnancy. So, and never one man, one vote. That was a big gift given by our Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. This was some of the common things which I recollect for the normal people, for the every individuals, what Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar had already done. Yeah, for the backward class, yeah, he had that because he believed it should be an equal, the great nation will be appearing only when there is an equality. So every individual should have an equal rights. So he has done a special work like giving the water, being a normal human being status, giving a normal human being status. Entry to the temples, that particular times, also the water, he was trying to remove some part of the untouchabilities. Baba Saheb Ambedkar told the progress of the society. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was truly believing that the progress of the society is determined by the progress of the women of the society. How well society behaved towards the women, allowing the liberty of speaking, giving a chance of utter her opinion. He has also given a rights of equality, justice, liberty, fraternity in the preamble of our preamble in Indian Constitution. We also had a great challenges when there was a Hindu Code Bill. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar had the sacrification done by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar were unbelievable. It was the work, the dedications towards the social work was uncountable, causing to the staying away from the family, away from the family. During he used to be so busy with his social work, he used to not even contribute during the illness of our Ramai even. That was a greatness towards the social work what he used to devote his life to. I really admire him, the leadership quality of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I am not referring here any political life, nor I am good in a politics. However, our Baba Sahib has indicated us. Our Baba Sahib has indicated us the path for the better life for our people through the politics under the constitutional way. Through the constitutional way, we have to remove the discrimination between our society with the political platform. We have to bring his thoughts. We need to carry his thoughts with us, in our heart, in our blood, in our mind. Even after 72 years of our independence, we haven't reached the path of the Parliament House. The great vision of Baba Sahib Ambedkar was, there should be a Prime Minister among us. I feel that will be a great tribute to him. Yeah, that will be a great tribute to him. Lastly, I wanted to say few words about some small in Hindi, in the way of a poem. Like गीता के श्लोकों में हिंदुओं का ईमान मिलता है। गीता के श्लोकों में हिंदुओं को ईमान मिलता है। बाइबल के हर पन्नों पर ईसाइयों को समस्या का फरमान मिलता है। बाइबल के हर पन्नों पर ईसाइयों को समस्या का फरमान मिलता है। कुरान में मुस्लिमों को खुदा का ऐलान मिलता है। कुरान में मुस्लिमों को खुदा का ऐलान मिलता है, मगर भारत के संविधान में सभी को सरी का सम्मान मिलता है। जय भीम, जय भारत। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
जय जय